Guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today happens to be Wednesday and it's rainy and yucky outside, so I think it is a perfect time to go thrifting. Lately it's been hit or miss with the stuff that they have. I think there is a lot more drive in my area to go thrifting, which is awesome and wonderful, but it tends to be a little bit picked over. We are going to go thrifting. It's Wednesday, so it's the middle of the week and it happens to be really yucky outside. So hopefully we can find some really good treasures. I think we should go around town, see what we can pick up, and we'll do a haul at the end. What do you guys think? Stay tuned. All right, everyone, welcome back. We found so many good treasures. First thing I found was this Coach purse. It's dirty, but you guys know you can wash leather. Backstory, and this is why I wash my purses. When Max was little, we went to the doctor. He got his round of vaccinations, and on our way out of the doctor's office, I had my purse over my shoulder, and I'm holding my baby, and Max threw up in my purse. At that time, I was a young mom. I didn't have a lot of income to go, disposable income to go out and buy a purse. So I just washed my purse. I just threw it in the washer and washed it, and it turned out well. So ever since then, I throw my purses in the wash machine on a gentle cycle with very gentle soap, and they come out looking nice and clean, and it gets all those spots that are hidden in the purse that your pins sometimes leak into. Alright guys, if you guys know anything about me, you know I love brass. The moment I walk into the store, I gravitate to it, I see it out of the corner of my eye, and I make a beeline straight to it. And that just is what happened when I went to the thrift store with these three pieces. They are a little dirty. They do need to be cleaned up. but I don't polish them. I love the patina on the brass. So I will clean them up and get all the like candle goo out of it, but I won't polish it up with the brass polish. So we've got this candlestick. It was $1.50. We got this candlestick and it was 50 cents. And we've got this brass chalice, or it's actually a wine glass, $1.50. To another thrift store in my area, and it happens to be a boutique thrift store where the prices are a little bit higher than what I would normally pay at a thrift store. However, they have a outlet version of that thrift store where you will get the thrift store prices. And I picked up a handful of these wooden spoons. Now, I have picked them up to use in my home. You just throw it in the dishwasher in the highest setting and it will sanitize it. But normally when I pick these up, I use them to stir paint. And when I use them to stir paint, it is also a sample of the paint that I have on hand. So I normally put what my paint is right here that's on this spoon. It's a good way for me to kind of look at a furniture piece that I'm redoing and I can have a good sense of the color swatch. And at that same thrift store, we found this beautiful brass vase. It is gorgeous. I don't know if I would necessarily put water in it to hold fresh cut flowers, but for a dried arrangement, it's beautiful. I love the shape. It's very simple and elegant at the same time. This was $2.25. Next up, when we went to Goodwill, we hit the boho mecca, I would say. My Goodwill is really good with the baskets. I like shopping there. It's hit or miss. We found this wall hanging basket. I can totally see this by somebody's door so they can just throw some mail in there as they come in, or mail to go out. I can totally see it on a counter with your utensils. Oh, case in point, let's see. I can see it on a counter with your wooden spoons. I can see it in a bathroom holding your extra toilet paper, what have you. This is a really good basket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in my booth as a hanging decor item, along with all these other wooden pieces, these wooden elements, because I like to decorate my booth as a boho traditional kind of mesh of styles, because that's what is in our homes currently. We got for $3.67. Our next basket finds are these little bread baskets, and I like to put these on the wall as hanging decor. So I got a couple of these. I find these every so often. These were $1.32. And comment down below, is your Goodwill starting to put some weird prices? They used to be whole numbers, but now I see that they're starting to put some really unusual prices on their price tag. It just turned my head and made me think a minute about their pricing strategy. So comment below if you have any information about that. But yeah, it went from like $1, $2 to $1.32. Some weird number choices. In addition, we found this wonderful little mirror, very organic bohemian vibes. This was $3.67. The last wooden element we found at the thrift store is this tray. This tray was $7.37. What do you guys think? Yes? I'm into it. I'm really liking this kind of lighter wood choices that I'm seeing now. And last up, I found these 3 nesting birds. And I think this would be so cute for springtime decor. At first I saw them and I thought, oh, I can do that baking soda paint to kind of make them more, you know, ceramic or concrete-like. But the more I look at them, the more I love them just the way they are. And I don't think they need any kind of enhancement. What do you think? Would you paint them to make it into that concrete vibe? But see, I don't know. Tell me. So guys, that is the end of our thrift store haul. Comment down below which one is your favorite piece. My favorite piece are the birds, and then of course the brass candlesticks, of course. But let me know down below which one is your favorite. And like always, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you in the next video. And if you want to follow me behind the scenes, please follow me at Oak and Irondesigns on Instagram, where you can see the behind the scenes and some extra footage of the day-to-day life. Okay guys,